Hello everyone, welcome to Explore HOP. So for this example, we're told that there are 30 students in a class at an international school. Everyone in the class is expected to know English, but all the students can speak at least one other language. The only languages spoken other than English are Chinese, Spanish, and French. 10 students can speak Chinese, 20 students can speak Spanish, and 16 students can speak French. 4 students can speak Chinese and Spanish. Half of the students who speak Chinese can't speak the other two languages. Half of the students who speak French can speak Spanish too, and one student can speak all three languages. How many students speak only French in addition to English? So let's first start by creating a Venn diagram to help us organize all the information that we're given. So after we've drawn a Venn diagram, we'll label the three regions Chinese, French, and Spanish. So we'll call this Chinese, French, and Spanish. So first, let's start in the middle. We are told that one student can speak all three languages. So we will put a 1 in the middle of the Venn diagram since one student can speak all three languages. Now, working our way back up, we're told that half the students that speak French also speak Spanish. So this means that 8 students can speak French and Spanish, since we have 16 French-speaking students in total. And since only one student speaks French, Spanish, and Chinese, then the rest of the students who know French and Spanish must speak only French and Spanish in addition to English. So 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7 students, speak only French and Spanish in addition to English. So we will write 7 over here. So that gives us a total of 8 students who know both French and Spanish. So for the next statement, we're told that half of the students who speak Chinese can't speak the other two languages. So since there are 10 students who can speak Chinese, then this means that 5 students can only speak Chinese in addition to English. So 5 students only speak Chinese in addition to English. So we will write 5 over here. And we also know that 4 students speak Chinese and Spanish, in addition to English, of course. So just like before, since only one student can speak all three languages, then this means that the other students who speak Chinese and Spanish can only speak Chinese and Spanish in addition to English. So this means that 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 students, speak only Chinese and Spanish, in addition to English, of course. So we will write down 3 over here. So from here, we can now find the number of students that only speak Spanish, in addition to English, by taking the total number of Spanish speakers, which is 20, and subtracting the number of students who speak Spanish as well as other languages. So this means that 20 minus 3 minus 1 minus 7, which is equal to 9 students, speak only Spanish in addition to English. So we will write down 9 over here. And we can also find the number of students who speak only Chinese and French in addition to English. So from the Venn diagram, we can see that 10 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 which is equal to 1 student, can speak only Chinese and French in addition to English. So we will write down 1 over here. And finally, we can find the number of students who speak only French in addition to English just by taking the total number of French-speaking students, which is 16, and subtracting 16 by all the other French speakers who can speak another language. So this means that 16 minus 1 minus 1 minus 7, which is equal to 7 students, speak only French, in addition to English, of course. We can write down 7 over here. And that's the Venn diagram for this example. And we can see from here that 7 students speak only French in addition to English. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.